Anyway, Jaxen, happy birthday.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh gosh, guys, I have been to the gym. I have been on a summer school drop off and I am back home now. And I don't see Atlas, I don't see Oz, I don't see Wayne, I don't see Gio. Ivy did not go today because she was just kicking and screaming not to go. Oh, I see weeds growing in my little flower bed. I have to sort that out. But yes, we are here and getting ready for the start of the day. Let me see what's going on. What is happening in this place?
Where were you?
I went to the gym.
No, last night.
Oh, I know. I came back and you were fast asleep, bro. Daddy is still fast asleep. Wait, it is 10 o'clock in the morning. You can't still be asleep.
I'm a big cleaner.
No, I was here earlier. I was here an hour ago.
And I'm not even speaking, I'm just trying to catch
Okay, no problem. We all know. Time to get up. We have lots to do.
Since yesterday.
Momo is making some saltfish fritters. And look on this. Hello, please. Is that chef, you know, where you feel like tomorrow me and Momo are actually gonna be filming something special, which we're excited about. So we are gonna, you guys can look out for that. But China easy, you know, I'm not supposed to be eating these things. But no, I really want one. Alright, one now gonna hurt me. Right, Mo?
Yeah, I'm not eating.
No. Alright, mega have one.
Atlas favorite.
Look who can't wait. Yes? You beat it? Never mind, Popsy. Ivy, you should have gone to school. Oh. Trouble. It's so good, guys. I will do a little pepper jelly on it, and it's just chef's kiss. See here? Let's get a little pepper jelly, or you could do some pickled pepper. Wait, dirty fly. Smoosh it on there like this. Just like this. What could be better? So good, Mo.
I'm doing it.
She woke up on these, remember that?
Oh, the road. The road. She jumped. Jaja. Now that's supposed to do the wicked teacher. It's rough. What?
Maureen make me break my diet.
What do I?
2 nice saltfish fritters, man.
Saltfish fritters ready. I smell it as me wake. Yeah, I'm up and running, people. Nothing else gonna wake me up but the smell of the saltfish fritters. Momo, watch it. Pretty it up too. Momo, how are this? I must see restaurant at Sonia's Atlas request fritters.
Yes.
How much him eat so far?
4, making hard.
4. My youth, 4 fritters already?
And more fritters, more.
4 and more. What? Ivy Boo, how come you don't go school? How come you don't go summer camp? Eh, Ivy Boo? Eh? Why you not? Inshallah.
And she scream and carry on like a little diarrhea.
Oh no. You never did on it today. You weren't feeling it today.
And today was water play day. You missed it.
No, don't tell her about no water play day. Remember, say she don't like when water catch her
Yes,
face.
in her face. They said she doesn't like when the water splash in her face.
No, she not did on that.
Guys, we just stopped to buy some fruits. Yummy fruits. The guineps are in season, and I never hear about these little mango. Them named Sweetie mango. If you see, I must try it. And I have a little mango I will turn to eat with my tahine. And a nice piece of melon for my boy, Ozzy Bean. We just did a bunch of stuff on the road that we did not vlog any of it.
Yeah, beer stop, about 4 different stops.
And we missed one because I said to Wayne, I'm so tired and I have one more stop to make at Fontana right now. But yeah, I'm already starting to think about back to school because I really don't want to get caught up in the rush of back to school. And so I'm starting to like get my mind together for like what needs to be, like I already bought the boys school bags. 2 of them are already going to use back them lunch kit, but I'm going to get a new lunch kit for Jaxen because he needs one. And then books and all of this stuff I'm trying to make sure is just out of the way. Uniform done by already, pray to them not grow too much. Shoe done by already. Guys, I am ahead of the game this year.
Yeah, going good.
The only thing we're gonna beat me bad is wrapping the books. I hate wrap book. Anyway, such is life. And then I said to Wayne the other day, I said, and as you blink, it will be Christmas time. So you gotta get your mind right.
Trust me.
Let me tell you.
It's birthday season for us.
Oh my
Tomorrow
gosh.
is Jaxen's birthday.
In fact, by the time you're watching this, it will be Jaxen's birthday. So you can definitely go ahead and leave him some love in the comments. He will be so happy for that as well.
It's true.
He's having a bit of a grown-up birthday party with just a few friends. It's very different as they get older, you know, kind of what they want. And that's really a good thing, you know. We're doing our best to try and make everybody happy. By the way, we got Ozzy a scooter for his birthday, and we ended up having to give it to him before the birthday because when he saw Atlas's scooter, him want scooter, but him a complain about the scooter Wayne.
Yeah.
Saying it's too big for him and too heavy and all kind of stuff. So I don't know if I don't know. And all him ask about is when the transformer come in. I am very tired today. I don't always hear me a cuss and complain, so I'm tired. I tell you the truth, I go bed and I go take a nap. Because I can't. I feel like I'm this close to just burning out right now. So, and yesterday was an extremely busy day for me, so need to get some rest today. Anyway, gonna go do this last stop very quick. You were waiting in the car? Might as well. Want to eat a lick or something then?
So I give up them then. Me and me give up now.
You want to use this as a trash? By the way, it is so hot, people. Can we talk about the heat wave?
You know,
It's
so them say Monday
ridiculous.
gone or
Not
something
Monday,
like so.
Sunday.
Was one of the
21st.
hottest.
It was the hottest day recorded across the world.
Sunday?
The 21st.
You sure?
The 21st.
Okay, me just say it was a Monday.
Yeah, 21st. So
No, the temperature
it's
then.
real. It's real. Anyway, let me go and I'll be right back. It's just the worst thing when that happens. Show them. Love a 20, but then look at the back. Womp, womp, womp. When me little, I remember this lady who used to work with us. I did have a guinea stain on my shirt, and she said, "Don't worry, it will come out. The stain will come out when guinea come back in season." I waited a whole guinea season to and kept the shirt. It was an orange and white shirt. I never forget it.
Did the stain come on?
It did not come out. Not even after a whole 6 months of washing it. Sorry, may I pack you up? Alright, I'm gone.
Eating up your mango? Eating up your mango? Mango pango?
A sweetie for my sweetie.
Okay, let's recap. A, B,
We are eating Guinea.
C,
No braces.
E,
Yeah, long time I wait for this.
H, I.
So guys, also in other news, it's Olympic season. Olympics start today, so we're gonna send a whole heap of love and support for all of the Jamaican athletes over in Paris right now, are getting ready, getting geared up to make history again. You know it go. We little and we Talawa. We are the smallest island we achieve the biggest things on the world stage in athletics, period. Me not ask nobody nothing, right? So I just want to big up all of the athletes, them, everybody from Shelly and Fraser, Sharika, Kishin, Oblique, Nataya. Big up all of our athletes representing our little nation and always punching hard above weight class.
Okay, guys, I am officially mashed up. So, I am going to shower and I'm going to take a nap. Everybody will be fine. I'm fine. Everybody's fine. I can actually nap. It's fine. That's me trying to convince. Why is it so hard for women to just do that? Like, everybody's okay. Like, everybody's fine. Ivy's about to go down for her nap. Like, I can just sleep just once in a blue moon in the day, right? I don't know if you guys have a hard time with that. Let me know. What is this guilt that we just feel all the time around resting? I really have to work on that. Anyway, I'm gonna catch back up.
Alright guys, so I'm here with the birthday boy himself, Jaxen Benjamin. How does it feel to be 11, bro?
Good times.
He's not 11 yet, but when you watch this video, he is going to be 11.
I'll be 11 by like a day.
Yeah. So is stay good?
Oh yeah, I am.
How was summer school?
It was good for the most part.
You're
Yeah,
making it work. You're making it work. You're making that sacrifice.
Yeah.
Cause you have to make sacrifices.
But I think there's just one more 3-day week of pet prep. I think that's next week.
Yeah.
That's the last week, I think. And I have the rest of the summer off for myself.
That's what's up.
So yeah, I have to do it for the whole of July. And I'm supposed to be practicing for a football tournament, but instead I'm doing pet prep.
You know, me and Gio playing a pickleball tournament this evening.
Yes.
Yeah, come support me.
I wish.
Alright guys, just come grab some food and thing, and then we'll go back home. Tami is mommy sleeping, so she said.
Yeah, she said she was gonna take a nap.
I bet she up there on her phone, nah, sleep.
You know already. The light is off, but when you walk in, you take a few steps, you go back past the little short hallway, you see her there.
Phone in hand, and then that ball says she tired. Anyway, let's do this. Momo, where you say you're going with?
I'm gonna put season rice.
Season rice?
Season, 1 cup of season rice.
And what else?
White and chicken in a oven.
Chicken?
In a oven.
Let me see. Okay.
Do a little thing.
Yeah, do a little thing.
It's a little thing, you know, there.
Little boat around, I know I ship, but that's one little boat.
Yeah.
Miss Ivy sleeping on her back, and the boys them up in a them room and create one bag of ruckus. I don't even know she not wake up yet. I'm gonna check on them, watch them now. Beer things the boys that go on with. Here nice them and make. Let me check up on them and see what I'm going to watch this now.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got myself in this situation.
Alright, the boys them go on too bad. But now is the moment of truth. I'm going to check up on Tami and see if she's actually sleeping like what she says she'll do. Yes, Tami. You say you can't sleep? Tami, at least you try. You try?
Mm-hmm.
Or you did that on your phone?
Mm-mm.
You try?
Mm-hmm.
Long time you ain't in my G. My whole half the boys them. Beer things. Can't say you get her running now. Chef Ozzy. Yeah,
Look what you're doing. Look what your fingers.
Tami, you over here beat conk.
Right.
Oh, what happened?
I lie down on the bed and say, oh, I forget some, I have some conch and I didn't need to cook.
Where you get them conk from?
Supermarket.
Okay.
But I don't know how much to beat it. But I don't want to pressure it.
Yeah.
So.
Oh my goodness. You just wake up, Boobaloo? No man, she get a solid sleep today. I've got to make she go bed late. Hey, Boobaloo? Joopy. You wake up?
Wake up with the towel. Wake up with the susu. Eh? You wake up with the susu.
That face. Look at that face. Wow.
Good.
Green pepper, sweet pepper.
Yeah. And look how I cut this piece one more.
Nice, Bookie. Let's see what I go on.
We need some spicy pepper here. Yes, we can.
Momo Caesar rice, eh? Finished product.
I want to finish up the thing.
Barbecue chicken, look good.
Finish it.
Look good.
I need to like another sweet pepper. Now look at this.
Why don't cut that up into smaller pieces? Yeah, cut it up into smaller pieces.
Oh, I want to cut it like this.
I bought these amazing, like,
I need to cut another onion.
that onion is you can't cut.
Shit, but it a go on good though, man.
It's like a pumice stone for the grill. I mean for the stove. And Tisha here discovered so you can scour off the bottom of the pot.
If this whole yield back, you know.
Wayne,
You're in business, you know.
that can't hold me here back. It's actually very soft. But I have one to me here back. Him gone, man. He's cutting up and doing a fine job.
Chef Ozzy Mitchell. Have a ring to it, you know.
Alright guys. Make sure you win. Don't come back and tell me nothing about.
Do our best, not make sure you win.
Alright. Do your best, but make sure you win.
You're being a mama girl.
Don't come back without the cup. The gold, boys. The gold. Get it! Alright guys, so here's my little conch dish, which is actually really nice, and I eat it just like this, but you can do it with like steamed vegetables if you want. And it's actually really nice, really well flavored. It have pumpkin, okra, onion, whole heap of garlic, and scotch bonnet, and of course dried seasonings as well. So yeah, really nice and easy.
No, with your finger. Like this.
How you feeling about your birthday tomorrow, boy?
Oh, I'm so excited. But I'm not going to be like Atlas every day before his birthday. I'm not going to bed at 7:30.
You gonna stay up late? Alright. How old are you gonna be tomorrow, Jaxen?
The double ones.
That's what's up. 11 years old, just like that. I'm so excited. I can't believe that you're gonna be 11 because you just born. Come on, Ivy. Before you know it, you're gonna be 11, Ivy.
When Ivy's 11, I'm going to freak out.
How
You're just going to
old-
see me faint.
How old will you
Mama?
be? Yes?
Mama?
You hear Grandma? You hear Grandma at the door?
No. Help.
You heard the sound? Who's at the gate?
No.
Who is there?
Tell Mama.
Mama. Yeah. Alright, let's go let it Mama. Anyway, Jaxen, happy birthday. When it comes, we love you so much. Yay.